What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's finally happening, and I know this is going to make a lot of people happy. Today, Apple finally confirmed that Google Gemini will indeed power the next generation of Siri, and this is possibly the best news. Personally, I'm super excited about this. We've known for a long time Apple's in-house attempts to make Siri better have just fallen flat. With the new rumored Siri changes that are going to be coming possibly as soon as iOS 26.4, which should be released in a few months from now, especially in beta form, Google Gemini will be on the back end processing this. Google Gemini has been amazing in terms of all of its features and actual useful abilities, more so than what Siri's ever offered, and now this is going to be on the back end of what's powering Siri. Basically, Apple said in a statement shared with CNBC today that after careful evaluation, we determined that Google's technology provides the most capable foundation for Apple Foundation models, and we're excited about the innovative new feature experiences it will unlock for our users. The report explicitly mentions that Google Gemini will power Siri, again as was expected. Apple's decision here to lean on Google's AI technology should result in a revamped Siri being more capable and advanced than it otherwise would have been, as Gemini's large language model, or LLM, is significantly larger than Apple's own. Technically, Siri should be expected to be introduced in iOS 26.4, I should say the new version of Siri, which should be released in the March or April timeframe. Again, huge news here. For those of you unfamiliar with Google Gemini's capabilities, have never used it in the app form on an iPhone itself, it blows everything out of the water. It just is so much more contextually aware. It gives you so much more actionable information and just really makes the user experience and what an AI assistant should be. I fully believe if you've never used a Pixel phone, a Samsung phone, or really any Android device that can take advantage of Google Gemini, you guys are in for a huge surprise. Before we go even farther, make sure to comment down below, what do you guys think about all of this news? Are you super excited? Are you more security conscious and worried about what that's going to offer? I'm sure Apple's going to have its own spin on this, letting and reaffirming users know how much more secure this is going to be on an iPhone instead of everything being stored in a cloud. But yeah, I am so excited to see what kind of capabilities this opens up. You are definitely going to be able to ask consistent questions back to back, kind of what Siri can do now in its updated form, but not in its final boss form, we'll call it, just simply because of how much larger, again, that LLM is and what opportunities this opens up for Apple. So, like I said, let me know down below, what do you guys think? How excited are you for this update? And I can't wait, now especially, to get rid of iOS 23.3 betas, which should be done at some point this month. So in just a couple of short weeks, developers and testers will be able to go hands-on with 26.4 beta 1 and get a hopeful first look at the new Siri. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.